Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Forex and I'm back again with another video. Today is Sunday, so happy Sunday guys, and I hope you all went to church. Update of what I've really been up to. I actually took my laptop yesterday for repair and it wasn't done. It's actually the flex that separated from the screen, which is something that has been slowing down a lot of stuff I want to do, and regarding my trading as well. I also want to say a very big thank you to all those who have waited, and I've already selected 3 winners for the books and I've already gotten the books. Okay, so I'm going to be sending it out to you all. And so tomorrow I actually got a new job that is in line with what I am doing, which is something I didn't want to let the opportunity pass by, and I took it upon myself to take the job, and it's really not something that I've been expecting my trading so far. And basically for trading wise, I got accounts. I already have a $25,000 account with Holla Prime. Okay, so it's basically something I'm grateful for, and I'm also grateful for God putting me in this stage. Okay, even with everything surrounding me, like God, na me be pepper, na me be salt, na me be maggi, na me be crayfish in my whole life. Like, you guys knew the issues I had with laptop. I had to solve it to get a monitor. Like, a lot of things have challenged me in this journey, I will not lie. So if you should not think it's all bed of roses, okay, a lot of things have challenged me in this journey. Like, I can choose to just be like, oh, I'm not doing anything, but I know what I want for myself. Okay, and this laptop thing, like, you just see, do you know how many times I've spent money on phones? Like, you guys complaining about the voice not coming out, then you're buying a gadget, the speaker is not working, then you're buying a gadget, like a lot. My phone got stolen. Like, I don't want to be complaining to you guys, but it's just been a lot. But it's just always me trying to show up and also trying to do my best. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to work in the morning, but a friend of mine is going to pick up my laptop and help me continue from where they stopped, because I didn't want to leave the laptop overnight there. So basically that is the up. And also hi guys, so welcome back to this slide of the video. I'm already at work and I wanted to share with you some of the trades I was already looking to take and how it panned out. So sit back, let's check, but let me show you guys something. Okay, so guys, actually I set a buy order for Euro USD. Guys, price didn't really tag us in, and ideally, since we were looking at if I should come here, we'll take a buy. But if I should change character here, we're then going to be taking a phase 2 buy. We're going to have to refine this zone if we get a change of character to continue a buy. So let's wait and see if price really change character. And then for GE, this was a trade I was looking to actually take after the change of character, a phase B. Okay, we got a mitigation of the zone and we got a change of character. So I set my order for a sell, but price hits the target before even giving us a sell opportunity. And for USD JPY, price is still ranging. And then for CHF, so CHF right now, as you can see, we really switched bullish, and price came to hit this zone. We have this current zone awaiting, we have this current zone awaiting. So ideally, since this is our weak high and this is our strong low, we're ideally anticipating a pullback, but this cannot be seen as a pullback because it's just a one candle pullback, so that's fractal. So is that we get internal break of structure to take a phase C to any of this zone, or price gives a change of character for us to take a phase A to buy. Okay, that's basically also. I'm just going to take this off. And I also want to be purchasing a GFT co-funded account. So I'm going to update you guys on after getting the account, and also if there's any other thing I want you guys to know about. Okay, so sit back, relax, and continue enjoying the video. Alright, so hey guys, so I just got another account with GFT. So GFT, which stands for the Growth Funded Trader, is a prop firm that actually gives traders capital to trade with. I've actually been using this particular prop firm for almost a year now. I lost my first account, but I just got another one with them because the first time I traded with them, no issues at all. So I decided to come back again. So this particular prop firm has paid out over $20 million to pay out. They also have 50% discount for first timers, and also they have their own in-house technology. And so far, trading with go-funded traders have been smooth, okay? And like they have been around for like 3 years now. They recently celebrated their 3rd anniversary, and that speaks a lot about any prop firm in regards to prop firm space. And I was also recently checking them out on Prop Firm Match, which is a platform whereby you compare different prop firms and know which one is better off. And really, go-funded traders have really been having good reviews, and their ranking, their account size, and overall reputation. They're actually becoming one of the prop firms more traders are paying attention to right now, I'm not gonna lie. And if you go through, you can see their rating is 4.3 here, and you can actually scroll up for that to get to see more about what go-funded trader firm is all about, like the summary, and you can see the reviews, the offers, and a lot more. And if you further more go down, you can see different platforms that they offer, their payment method for both withdrawals and also the different types of instruments and assets that they offer, and their leverage. Okay, for the FX, they have 1:50 for instance, 1:100 for 1 step, 1:100 for 2 steps, and 1:100 for 3 steps as well. And also metals, you can actually check out the different commissions for FX, metals, indices, and so on. And they also have the consistency rule, which is something I always tell traders before you go for any prop firm. Make sure you go through their rules, okay, and make sure it fits your trading style. And if it does, do well to read the link in the description below to check this prop firm out, okay? Alright guys, so I'll be looking to take this sell now on CHFJPY. As you can see here, after price came down, we had this rejection here, and price finally closed this low. That's a pullback rejection. So I'm looking to take this sell now, okay, to continue this pullback, ideally to wherever price wants to end. Okay, so I'm going to be setting this trade. So guys, I just bought a new go-funded account, and I just received the email, and the trade so far this is what the trade is doing. So my number of accounts, you guys can see 2, the other one I lost, a new challenge. So as you guys can see, the 10k balance, equity balance is 1. So this is actually the way you can also do the 5. As you can see, this account is also active here. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do the $5 purchase an account, pay later with go-funded traders, so that you can be able to read the rules concerning this particular type of account. Okay, and when I get home, until I work, I'll soon be going home soon. When I get home, I will do a proper breakdown of everything you really need to know about selecting an account go-funded. And so far, this is what the trade we are on is doing on my Naira account, and then the other trade I took it on my prop firm, but it's in my big phone. So guys, day 2 of actually creating this video, and yeah, we took a loss on CHFJPY, but our AUDJPY is still running, and the CHF is still actually valid, but got taken out by spread. So these are it for today. People Shuji. So I'm back. I just finished doing my morning forecast, and so far I actually did send it out to the group as well. I've really been active on the group for now since after I repaired my laptop. So if you want to join the group, you can use the link in the description below. So on the 26th, which was yesterday, these were all the outlook I sent out: CHF JPY, AUD JPY, and when I finally entered the CHF. And so today I also did an outlook sending on what I'm looking at GU. I'm not looking to take anything, and also some of the trade I've been holding up so far. That's AUD JPY is doing so well already. Okay, and the CHF JPY, we got wicked out of this trade, guys. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys on my phone. You guys can see right here on my broker, on the profile, I got wicked out, and also on my life account I got wicked out on this trade. But AUD JPY is currently still running right now. So if we go to real time in chart, so for CHF JPY, as you guys can see, after the internal break, I was looking to take this sell. And also in my next video, I'm going to explain the reason why I feel like this happened because of spread, and we're going to go in depth to talk more about what spread and how you should account all these things in your trading as well. Okay, and going for the USD JPY is still in the range, GBP USD back to its own, CHF, which I just shared with you, USD. Basically, USD has really not been friendly. I wanted to enter a buy here, but price did not tag us in. Price just filled in the gap, the February gap, and is headed up. So I saw this change of character. So ideally, if I want to take this phase B, right, it's going to be against the internal trend, since we already got eyeballs to the downside, facilitating the swing pullback. It would have been better if we got eyeballs to see that the pullback has ended, but if I should do that, that would be already taking out the swing week high. So that was basically the reason why I'm looking to take this buy, even though it's against the internal structural trend, because we have this room of objective to target this liquidity right here. And for AUD JPY, price already aiming towards take profit, which is nice. And if we look here, so this is basically the trade. This is basically the trade running so far. And for the other ones that I got picked out today, as you can see, for CHF JPY, I got wicked out of the trade. So it's fine, okay. And to also take you guys along concerning the GFT by browser, any browser you use, type later go from the challenge. You see that it will pop up. Just go here so that you can be able to read the rules concerning code funded by later challenge. Okay, it is very, very important. I don't know why it keeps bringing me to this dashboard. I want to see the rule. Okay. Okay, so I want you to read the rules along so you don't make mistake here. So you can see it's a pay later model. This is a one-phase evaluation challenge designed to provide traders with a straightforward path becoming funded. Once you pass the evaluation phase, you will receive a live funded account. No second phase required. Okay, and it was updated yesterday. As you can see, profit target is 4% for phase 1, and step 2, which is when you get funded, there is no profit target. Daily drawdown is 3% for your phase 2. There is none for the phase 1, and then max total loss is 8% trading, and then for phase 2, that's your funded, is 6% trading. So that's usually means to tell you that this 8%, even though you don't have this daily drawdown, if you lose this 8% in a day, you still lose your account. And minimum trading days is none. But when you get funded, your minimum trading days before payout, okay, and then max loss per trade is 2% per trade. Any trade you're taking, the consistency rule for step 1, no consistency rule. But when you get funded, you have the 20% consistency rule, and then the good guide, none, good guide, yes. So you can see how much does it cost for you to join is just $5, and how much you will pay after passing for a 5k $78. And then for me that took a $10,000 challenge account, once I pass it I'm going to be paying a fee of $118. So is there a time limit to pay the activation fee? Yes, that's 30 days. You have 30 days to complete your payments. If activation fee is not yet paid within this period, you will pay later. Accounts will automatically expire. Okay, that's basically all for now. The good funded account, the trade I took this week, and I'm going to be updating you guys later. So sit back and thank you so much for continuously enjoying the video. Right, please see profit use your sweeps. And Xness came around and they gave us this